Hey there, this is Christina with WTI. If you love decorating your Crocs, then you are going to love these Croc charms. They are so cute. As you can see, they have a coffee theme. And believe it or not, these are the ones that my 11-year-old daughter picked. She recently started liking coffee, and coffee is everything now. They came in a pack of like 18. There were so many to choose from, which is really cool because she'll be able to change them out. She'll be able to share some with friends, and they just have the most adorable little sayings on them. If you're looking to decorate your Crocs, I definitely would recommend these. They're easy to get on and off, but they stay on because of the nice rivet that is on the back of them. They're real comfortable. You don't feel it on the backside, and they just are too cute. I think that everyone with Crocs needs to get them, but that's just my point of view.